by Amanda During Tourville. Illustrated by Chris Lynch. Lots of kids ride a school bus to school. Using good manners on the bus means everyone can have a nice trip. Good manners help keep you safe, too. There are lots of ways you can use good manners on the school bus. Dion is always on time for the school bus. He doesn't make the driver wait. He is using good manners. Eliza climbs up the bus stairs. She smiles at the driver and says, "Good morning." She is using good manners. James and Connor face forward in their seats. They talk quietly to each other. They are using good manners. Alicia gets on the bus. She waits patiently until the person ahead of her sits down. Alicia is using good manners. "May I sit by you?" a boy asks Carter. Carter smiles and nods his head. Carter is using good manners. Mia and Karen keep their hands to themselves. They keep their feet and book bags out of the aisles. They are using good manners. Tyrell and Sarah are the oldest kids on the bus. They are nice to the younger kids. They don't tease or bother them. Tyrell and Sarah are using good manners. Josh waits his turn to get off the bus. He never pushes the people in front of him. He is using good manners. "Thanks for the ride," Megan tells the bus driver. "Have a nice day." She is using good manners. It is important to use good manners on the school bus. Good manners make a nice, safe ride for everyone.
Now we are going to take the quiz. What does Eliza do when she climbs up the bus stairs? A. She calls out her friends. B. She smiles at the driver. Or C. She shows the driver her bus pass. Or D. She looks for a good seat. Great job. Letter B. She smiles at the bus driver. Number 2. James and Connor face forward in their seats, and they A. Talk quietly to each other. B. Put their bags in the aisle. C. Sing loudly with other children. Or D. Read their books. Correct. They talk quietly to each other. On the bus, Alicia waits patiently until A. Her friend finds them a seat. B. The bus driver counts the children. C. The bus starts moving. Or D. The person ahead of her sits down. D. Correct. The person ahead of her sits down. What does the boy ask Carter? A. Can you help me? B. Will you please open the window? C. May I sit by you? Or D. Would you like to share my snack? Awesome! Letter C. May I sit by you? Number 5. Tyrell and Sarah are using good manners when they A. Pick up trash on the bus. B. Close all the windows before they get off the bus. C. Are nice to the younger kids. Or D. Help find a missing book bag. Great job! C. They are nice to the younger kids. How did you like this book? 4 stars. Awesome! You got 100%.